Hi guys.
Hey.
Welcome back. This is going to be a slightly different video and it's going to be spread over the course of a couple of days. But if you watch our channel or if you're up to date with our videos, we are buying a house together.
Yes, we are.
Process has been going on for a few months, as house stuff does. Oh my god, there is a lot of traffic here.
Yeah, there is. I'm gonna go straight, I think.
Yeah. So the process has been going on for a few months, and today is our completion date, and we're actually now on the way to our estate agents to pick up the keys, which is really exciting. We've got a few bits in the back of the car. We're planning to move, over the weekend. It's actually Friday afternoon now. We're planning to move over the weekend, but we've just got a few bits to come over with us now. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're both very excited.
Yes, we are.
And you will see over the course of the weekend the bits we get up to. So yeah, here we go. We got them! Woo! Just picked them up. Ooh, my hair's a bit windswept. Just picked them up. And we're now going to the house for the first time as being official owners of the house, which is so exciting. Yeah. How excited? Out of 10?
10.
10. Yeah. Well, I'm a 12.75.
Well, you can't be more than 10.
Yeah, I can. 12.75. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit stiff.
It's so echoey in here.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I can't believe we're in.
That's really exciting. So we're not going to do like an empty house tour.
No.
But you will see the house over the course of this vlog. I feel like my phone's going off. No. You will see the house throughout this vlog, as I said, because we're going to stretch it over a few days. So yeah, we're just going to look around because we live here.
So we've been in an hour or so, maybe 2 hours now. I've gone back.
I'll get some sun in your back garden.
Oh.
So we've been here a couple hours and we've had ice creams. There's a guy come around the corner, literally just up our little street. Ice creams, lovely. But yeah, I've been home, I've got the mattress. It's just on the floor. Already got loads of stuff just sitting here. My mum's turned up and she's brought us pizza and Dr. Pepper. So yeah, that's where we're at. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Ice cream! Was giving the kitchen a bit of a clean.
Everything is really clean already.
Yeah.
Everything looks new, but you know when you just move in, you just want to like make sure that everything's like. Look what pizzas we got. They look good.
They're so good. Anyone that doesn't get pizza from like Sainsbury's or Asda, you can go in, you can pick a large pizza, 4 toppings, base and all that kind of stuff. We always do it.
Sainsbury's is my favourite.
Sainsbury's is good. They're like $4.50 a pop though. But you get it's a lot cheaper than
That's
Domino's.
still good though, yeah. Domino's is like 18 quid pizza.
Yeah, exactly. We think it's awesome, but you know, we're biased because we love pizza, so. But yes, I probably should be cleaning the kitchen as well.
Come and smell this though.
Come and smell the fridge.
No, don't worry, I've just washed it.
Smells clean.
It smells really good. Several hours later when you last saw us cleaning the fridge.
Yeah, so.
It's now 19 minutes to midnight.
So we've done nothing but clean for like 6 hours basically. My hands have got that like, that feels like they've got no like film left on them, like a skin. It is weird.
So irony.
Yeah, that must be like cleaning products. But yeah, so as you can see, our makeshift bed. It's just kind of like
our mattress on the floor.
It's just our mattress on the floor, and we've just chucked up this curtain here. It's not the actual curtain that's going to go in this room, but it was a curtain that we've had just sort of given to us by a like family friend, and it went up really quickly. So we were just like chuck it up, and then the sun can't come in and wake us up in the mornings. We've spent hours cleaning the showers and the toilets and the kitchen. We ran to Tesco's, didn't we? We just got the essentials. Charlotte's very tired. Look.
I'm literally like, ugh. I am so tired.
So yeah, we ran to Tesco to pick up the essentials. Yeah, so we're gonna go jump in the, well, I was gonna jump in the shower. However, our actual shower needs resealing because the bottom bit where the actual shower, the basin we actually stand, the base of the shower, it's got like sealant around the outside, and it's got like little holes in it, and it's like where it's peeled away, and I'm sure it'll be fine, but
no one cares about our shower story.
They do. This is important. The people want to know.
They don't.
So,
I don't even care about it.
So during the week, I'm probably going to peel that up and put new stuff back down. But luckily our bathroom, like the main bathroom, has got like a big bath and like a shower in there. So we're gonna wash in there and then we're gonna come get in bed. We've got the laptop on the floor over just there, and probably gonna put Netflix on. So yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Good morning. So we spent the first night in the house, which I thought was gonna be like quite surreal, because obviously it is our house, but it, you know, it's not very homely yet, you know. There's boxes on the floor, nothing on the walls, you know, but it felt fine. Charlotte's in here washing up.
Some bowls for breakfast.
Yes.
We don't actually have a tea towel at the minute, so I'm going to use kitchen roll. Let's get these. And also we bought some nice pink bowls for the kitchen, but they are amongst our stuff to be moved over, so we popped to Tesco's last night and just got these really cheap white ones.
We got the essentials, obviously: milk, cool water down, cheese, jalapenos, there was pizzas in here, Dr. Pepper, and then chocolate.
And shall we test it?
Reese's, Kinder Bueno, and then dark chocolate in the new one. If you haven't tried it, it's actually pretty good. Anyone who's been following us for a while will know about Charlotte's obsession with Ben & Jerry's. Love, this topped love is.
The only place we can find around here that does it is like a Tesco's Extra. That's like 20 minutes away, so we popped there last night just so I could get it.
So it's buttery brown sugar ice cream with pink salted caramel cups. That's cookie swirl, a pink topping, and heart-shaped chunks. It's actually really good. The brown sugar flavour is insane.
Quite lucky charms for breakfast this morning.
Yeah, so Charlotte's sister came around yesterday to see the house, and she brought us a box of Lucky Charms for breakfast, so that's what we're having. They are unicorn and rainbow marshmallow Lucky Charms, so don't be so jealous. Today I'm going to be working on just cleaning and clearing our room that we've been living in for like the last 5 years. And obviously the mattress is gone because it's at the house, but over here I'm going to rip this bed up. There was a massive unit here that I built a few years ago. I've pulled that up, and the cat that lives here has been helping me, so you can see that now. But yeah, so I've just got cables everywhere. Charlotte is actually away today. She's in Cambridge for like a hen do thing. So I'm going to pretty much spend the day just clearing the room, boxing everything up, putting the bed against the wall, because then tomorrow we've got the van, which you'll obviously see. So yeah, that's my phone. That's again my phone. But yeah, let's get this show on the road. Okay, time to just check in. So I have taken down the bed, as you can see. Still taking down these shelves, but we're making progress. My brother's come around to give me a hand. I'm just going to hoover these shelves because they're a bit dusty, take them off the wall, and then I've got a load of stuff in the loft to get down. So still all go, go, go. So yeah, as you can see, a bit sweaty, been in the loft, been everywhere, and it's melting hot today. It's like ridiculous, like 28 degrees everywhere. Let me just show you the room. And the boxes go all the way to the back of the room. Mental.
Happy Sunday, everybody.
Hey!
I am back today. I was at a hen party yesterday in Cambridge, so I was not around. So as you saw, Jez did all the hard manual work, which I feel a bit sorry for, but there we go. So as you can see, we have, well, you can't really see too much, but we have just rented a van, and we are basically moving everything today. So it's going to be a long old day, but we'll keep you updated with what's going on. Hi guys, so it's been a really long time since we vlogged. I think the last time we vlogged it was like 8:15 in the morning, and it's now 8:30 in the evening. We've just been super busy moving everything, and we still have so much to do. I'll show you, for example, I'm just going to go upstairs and I'm going to show you what one of our spare bedrooms looks like right now. So this is currently what spare bedroom number 1 looks like, all of the stuff that we haven't unpacked. And this is our smaller second spare bedroom, and just, yeah, so much stuff. Got a load of things in the garage as well, but we've literally done like 12 hours of just solid. Yeah, no, not as much stuff in the front room though. Did we show him then the bed the other day when the bed was on the floor?
Yeah, we did.
We now actually have our bed as well, which is good. Yay, we actually have a bed. We're both really tired. So
Sat down for 12 hours.
We're both now literally just gonna shower and then have dinner, aren't we?
Broken.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna vlog, start weekend vlogging, start vlogging over time, start doing vlogs like in the house, when we do things, stuff like that. It'll be pretty awesome. So yeah, that's that. Hey guys, let me just actually turn this down. We have washed and I feel like, I feel like a pound lighter, honestly. Charlotte's walking around in her little towel. And yeah, so we're just using the kitchen, like actually cooking for the first time because we haven't really cooked here yet. Mickey Mouse trivet, obviously. We're having ravioli, pasta and veg. And yeah, it's gonna be nice. We've got the toaster out. My little kettle that's been working extra hard today for some reason.
God, yeah, we used it loads, didn't we?
Fridge is still empty. We haven't actually been shopping yet. It's got the essentials. Food for our son. And our son eats vegetables. I'll show you our son. I think he's probably sleeping. He's at the back in there somewhere. His name's Wally. He's a Horsfield tortoise. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Kind of had a bit of a mad day, really. I don't know where the light is from here. So yeah, we're just kind of gonna chill, eat some food, get some like, just rest because I've got work tomorrow. Charlotte's at work tomorrow. Yeah, we've got a lot to do over the next couple of weeks. And yeah, I'm just tired, and as you can see, I'm very tired. Okay, so we have done it. We have been for our first food shop, all there behind me. So I'll sort of show you what we've got, take a little bit of a show you around, and then I've got to make it fit in the box, in these cupboards and in the fridge. Not sure how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it work. I was pretty good at Tetris as a kid. Refill, because we've got Mickey Mouse hand cleaner, hand sort of soap dispensers. So we'll show you that at some point as well, obviously. Kitchen roll, we've got 2 of these because the one that the house comes with is disgusting. So we bought 2 of these, and one of these is to wash Wally, who you would have seen obviously in previous video. Just bleach, stuff like that. Stainless steel cleaner, because we've got a fair bit of stainless steel in the house actually. Cooker hood. So yeah, we'll get that all cleaned up. Just come over here. Yogurts, Activia, just random like yogurts, vanilla and I think strawberry. Tuna, obviously, can't go wrong with tuna. Bolognese sauce. This stuff's awesome. Very lazy, chopped garlic. It's actually brilliant. You just take a little spoon, put it in your food. Quality. Vinegar, bread, really had the donuts. Rice. Obviously, we had to get the selection of condiments. Salad cream, ketchup, barbecue, mayonnaise, all quality. Heinz, you can't see it Heinz. Heinz is the best. Bananas, obviously. Toaster's pretty cool. We enjoyed that toast. We've got the matching kettle over there as well as hiding. Chocolate hobnobs, get in. Angel Delight, how awesome is that? A white chocolate flavoured Angel Delight, get in. We also got strawberry, I think we got chocolate, and then butterscotch. I think butterscotch is like a really popular flavour now. I remember when it first came out, it was so good. Cheese, we don't have a can opener, so we bought a little can opener. It's basic. Lunch during the week, we've got wraps. Charlotte likes sweeteners in her sort of cup of teas, so sweeteners. Spaghetti. These are pretty cool looking, look at these. Kellogg's Rice Krispie Squares, Dragon Creations. They've got like, I don't know, like bits of chocolate in them and stuff like that. They look pretty awesome. Cadbury's Rounds, never tried these. They look pretty cool though. Cereal bars. One of my favourite squashes, apple high juice. It's insane from Asda, so sweet, so nice. Spaghetti hoops, they're for Charlotte's little sister because she loves spaghetti hoops and it's like her favourite thing to eat. Strawberries for the boy, Wally and us. Cherry tomatoes. These are pretty cool. Raspberry, cashew and yogurt popcorn. Pretty cool. Whisper, can't go wrong with a Whisper bar. Whisper the best. Pink ladies are for me. I do love an apple. Broccoli, more veg. Potatoes. Peppers, I love peppers. So we always get the peppers, cut them in half, put mince in it. You pre-cook the mince. And then you put the mince in the peppers. Bit of feta cheese, so you do cut the pepper in half, feta cheese, mince, feta cheese, mince, feta cheese, and then obviously a big pile of feta cheese on top. Put them in the oven. Oh, they're so good. They're like one of my favourite things to eat. Eggs, obviously you have to get eggs. There's feta cheese, Le Pack. Orange juice by The Innocent. Pepsi Max, milk. Let me just move these over here so I can actually get to the back of that. So we've got some pizzas. How cool is this one? Stuffed crust with sticky sweet cola barbecue. Stuffed crust, that looks awesome. That's gonna be amazing with the cola in there. Chicken. Lean mince, 5%. That's one of the better ones. Enjoy that. More mince. And we also got this like barbecue chicken pizza and a cheese feast. This is one of my favourite things to have as a meal. So you get a lump of gammon in there, and the gammon's actually quite a good size. You get the maple and honey sorted sauce in there. Takes about 60 minutes, but oh my goodness. Whenever I go back to my mum's and mum's like, oh, do you want to have dinner? I'm like, yeah, obviously I want dinner. What do you want? I want the maple joint, and she knows exactly what I mean. Oh, if you've never tried it, go try it. They've got like two sizes. We've got the smaller one because it serves like 2 or 3 people, so it's the 2 of us. They've got a big one that serves like 4 or 5 people. Oh, it's like £5, I think, maybe a bit more. But oh my god, it is so good. Carrying on. Sweet corn, just frozen sweet corn, it's always good. Mini milks, not actual mini milks, like Asda mini milks. And choc ices. Diced onions. These are cool, I've never seen these before. Bernard Matthews, they're called cheesy hamwich. So it's like a triangle of like ham, of like bread with like cheese and ham inside it. Stuck them in the oven. I thought I'd give them a go. Turkey unicorns, what? Sweet fries, peas, chicken, frozen chicken obviously. Summer fruit mix, mango mix, potato waffles, southern fried chicken mix, fish fingers. Cider for me. I love a Bulmers. So as if by magic, this is all gonna disappear. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All gone. How much nicer does that look in there? Full fridge. And before anyone starts judging me on my stacking abilities of a fridge, I think I've done pretty well. You know, okay, these Thorntons aren't gonna stay in there very long. I got them as a present from someone as a little gift. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of our like moving weekend, although it is Monday and we did start sort of Friday afternoon, but it's done. We have moved everything across, we have sorted some stuff out, we have been shopping, we have bought paint, we have bought food, we have started moving stuff around the house, and I am finally going to bed with my drink and my Whisper bar. Just that. Charlotte's already gone up, she's really not feeling very well. I think it's just because Friday night we didn't get to bed till about 1, Saturday night was about the same, last night was the same, and now it's 11, so we've literally running on very small amounts of sleep, because every day as well we were getting up at like 6 AM to like get the day going really. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog, or we hope you've enjoyed this vlog. But a little bit different. We just thought we could do a bit of vlogging when we're moving in and getting stuff sorted. If you've liked this vlog, let us know, because we'd like to do more sort of home vlogs like this. You know, just generic stuff, what we're doing, where we're going, you know, if we're popping out, what we're cooking for dinner, stuff like that. We'd like to share that with you guys if that's something you'd like to see. So yeah, as always, thank you for coming with us on this adventure, and see you next week. Bye.